How often do you use a calculator? Well, I do it on a regular basis, on a daily basis. Have you ever thought, is it difficult or is it easy to create a calculator of our own using Python? Well, the answer to this question is a definite yes. We can create a Python calculator. We can create a calculator based out in Python in just 100 lines of code, 200 lines of code? No. The answer is 30 lines of code. So let's get started. Well, this video is inspired from one of this GitHub repositories, which is Hello Flask Calculator. This project is basically done by a candidate whose GitHub profile is Greyli, Greyli. And you can also see that in this image, he has also mentioned made by Greyli. And this is where my research started. Not exactly research, but I started hunting for this particular person who has done this project. It's a very good project, a very basic project that has been done way back in 2016, right? So upon some little bit of finding, I got to know that he's the man behind this application. Very simple calculator application. You also might find similar applications on the web, on anywhere else as well. But upon searching, I got this repository and I thought that why don't we share this information to our viewers so that they can also work on this beautiful calculator project and they can take it to the next level as well. So this is his personal GitHub account, and this is his product account where he has created a simple calculator application using Flask and JavaScript. I'll leave all these links in the description below. We'll quickly jump into the application part. We'll quickly jump into the code part. As I have already said that it is done within 30 lines of code, and to be very honest, it is 30 lines of code. I'm just removing the spaces so that you see how many lines of code it actually is. Just 24 lines of code and has created this application. Okay, I'll just undo it so that it is user readable properly. Now here he is using Flask. The functionality wise, it's just 5-6 lines of code, that's it. And rest of the things he has done it inside your JavaScript, and he has used a HTML file as well. Now we'll quickly check his HTML file. Python project. So I never wanted to claim anybody else's projects. That is the reason I am telling very clearly that this is not my project, but I want to share it with you so that you can take it ahead to the next steps, make a very advanced calculator out of it. Well, this is having some load issues, so I'll just close it off. Anyways, I'll leave this link in the description below so that you can go through the code. Quickly explain you the code. This is where he has created this app route function of /_calculate. In case you are new to Flask, don't worry, I already have a video on Flask which you can go through and understand about Flask. He has created 3 inputs. One is n1, operator, and n2. n1 is number 1 and operator. So basically, which means if you are typing 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So 4 is your output, but your input is 2 plus 2. So 3 things, 2, 2 and the operator. Here it is validating the input data, so that the input data should be the numbers and some operators. Anything apart from that will not work. If this is not in this and the operator is not in this, it will throw you a JSON error, which is error. Here there is a small thing like if the operator is /, okay, and let's say what you are doing is 9 divided by 5, which is 1.8, 9 divided by 4, which is 2.8, okay, 9 divided by 8. Let's say this is a number, right, 1.125. Now what we have done is we have just rounded off. So in case there is a number like this, or a series of number, let's say 10 divided by 3, which is 3.3333. I don't want to show the entire number. That is the reason I have just rounded off to 2 decimals. And then else the result equals to evaluation of n1 plus operator plus n2 and returning you the result. Very simple application. We'll try to open our Anaconda prompt and then run this code. So I'll quickly go to this path, which is calculator path, and then I'll run my application python app.py. And my application is ready. I will quickly open this application. You can see this is the application. Okay. My debug mode is already on, so everything will be captured here. 7 plus 7 equals to 14. You can see everything has been captured here, and you can see your get function is triggered with /calculate with number 1 equals to 7, operator equals to this, and number 2 equals to this. Okay, if I do this, 7 divided by 9, which is, okay, something is wrong. 9 divided by 7, which is, okay, there is some mistake here. Maybe why our round function is not working. Okay, let's try with a simple concept. 10 divided by 5, which is 2. Okay, so the division operation is not working right now. Okay, we'll try to close it and open it again. It was working right now. We'll quickly check. Nothing seems to be wrong. Okay, we'll try to test out the slash part later on. Let's try to check the other functionalities. I'll just quickly refresh it, or else we'll quickly open a incognito tab, because there could be scenarios where your cache memory is impacting the application. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. 3 multiplied with 8 is, so everything is working, only the slash part. 9/2 is, okay, now it's working. Okay, 7/3 is 2.33. 10/3 is 3.33. So this is a very basic application. In case you want to take it to the next level, like exponentiation and modulus operation, square root, cube root, all these things, you can definitely do it. It has a lot of scope in making it a very advanced calculator, but as of now, he has just created the basic one. If you want me to create an advanced version of it, I would require comments in the comment section below, or else if you want to try it out by yourself, and once your product is ready, you can reach me out. Hey Satyajit, I have already created an end-to-end advanced calculator. Do you want to showcase this project in your videos? I'll be happy to do that as well. That's all about this particular video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like, share and subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get notified on my future videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.